Hi, good morning. Good morning to all my friends here on YouTube channel. Good morning, good morning. I'm wake up now because I'm hungry. I make hot coffee because my stomach is hungry. Time sit here now is around I don't know what uh ah around 8:15 in the morning. Time sit here in the Philippines. Hope hope you are a happy day today. Sana happy kayo, masaya kayo ngayong araw dyan. Yesterday, I have a customer massage, one person. So that's why I wake up this time, 8:15 in the morning. Late, late wake up because I'm tired for massage. My my neighbor fixed the house. Bye. Bye guys. I love you. Mwah.